Halo Gabuters! Back again on the channel Bapak Gabut. This time we will review the grinder from INGCO, one of the global brands that can be an option for cutting work. There is no doubt about the quality. With 750 watts of power, it's perfect for heavy-duty work, especially for DIY at home. Sold in the $20 price range, it can compete in the lower middle segment. I think this product has been distributed in several countries. Let's unbox it. Warranty cards are available and service centers are available in several major cities. So you don't need to worry if there are technical problems or issues with the product you purchased. Standard sales starter pack is the same as grinders in general. Warranty card, handle, blade cover, and key for cutting blade. The power consumption is listed as 750 watts with a rotation speed of 12,000 RPM. Good build quality is very pleasing to the eye. This grinder head mold looks very neat. The switch position is at the back, making it easier for you to use. Suitable for use with a sliding grinding stand. Made from thick ABS plastic, it gives a solid and durable impression. With the right circumference size, sufficient weight, feels comfortable in the hand. For a grinder in the $20 range, the finishing quality exceeds the price. The blade cover material and finishing are also very important. Let's test the RPM rotation, okay? We see whether it complies with the product specifications. For you guys, don't forget to always install the blade cover, okay? Prioritize work safety in every cut. Use a good cutting blade to maximize your grinder's performance. Make sure the cutting blade is locked properly. Let's start, okay? How come it's up to 30,000? Let's try again, okay? Why did it become 40,000? Let's skip this for now. It seems like my tachometer is faulty. Let's just start the cutting test, okay? Let's immediately try to test cutting 3mm steel. The performance is great. Let's try again. Don't press too hard. Let the rotation do the work. Cut or sand from the outside in. Don't reverse the direction. If cutting large objects, don't force it. Cut in stages. Hold it with 2 hands for stability. Don't shake when cutting, just push slowly. Great, yeah. Now let's try the grinding test, okay? Make sure the cutting blade is locked properly. Don't rush, just enjoy the process. Let's see if there is a decrease in RPM when pressed. You can see the iron peels off easily. Stable, yeah. Easy to control, too. Incidentally, I used a cheap grinding wheel. But the results are okay and fast, too. What do you think? Are you sure you don't want to try? Just sell your old grinder and replace it with an INGCO 1. Feel the sensation and new work experience with INGCO. Thank you for watching. Warm greetings from us, Bapak Gabut. I hope everything goes smoothly for all of us.